Hello everyone, King Boo Space here. Welcome back to another CD video today. Today we have another CD, which is Sound of Heaven by Gokey, which was released on the day of the opening ceremony of the Olympics. And I got this CD a day after, but I haven't made a video. So it's been more than a week since I got this CD, and I haven't had the time to make a CD video of this. So here we are now with the CD video of this, and we're just gonna get started. So here is the front cover. Here's the sides, and there we go. And then all 11 songs, all in a circle. You can just wait. Here we go. Starts here and then just slowly spin it around, and you can see all the songs there. And there we go. And here's the disc. I'm gonna get this. Here is the disc. Ignore the band-aid that I have. Here's the disc that I have for Sound of Heaven by Gokey, his brand new album. And shiny on the back. I'm gonna put this back, and we should be able to get this. Oh, it's stuck. There you go. Let's take a look. And it has the lyrics as well. You can see right here. Moving on to the next page. Last page here. And that's it. That's gonna be it for this CD video today. I'll be putting the album link in the description down below in case you want to check that out. I also have a Christian music collection that I have for myself. If you guys want to check that out, I'll also be putting that in the description down below. But for now, that's going to be it for this CD video. My name is King Boo Space, and I'll see you in the next video.